Welcome back, A-ROK team, to another review. Today we're reviewing my favorite uplights. These are the Maky Cube 6x18 battery powered uplights. And I'm gonna tell you everything about them. And I've actually had these for about over 10 years and they've lasted me like no other light has. So stick around and you'll find out why these are my favorite uplights. Introducing the toughest cube uplight on the market, the Maky 6x18 cube uplight. Right out of the box, this fixture packs a serious punch with 108 watts total output, driven by 6 18-watt LEDs. It's built inside a heavily duty all-metal hard casing designed to handle the wear and tear of live events. On the bottom, it features an integrated kickstand bracket, making it super easy to tilt and angle your wash exactly where you need it. Powering this unit is a long-lasting internal battery. You can expect up to 18 to 20 hours of runtime on a single static color, or around 4 to 6 hours on a continuous running all colors on full power. Color mixing on these is top tier, featuring 6-in-1 RGB AWUB, that's red, green, blue, amber, white, and violet, giving you endless from rich saturated tones to pastel hues and intense UV glows. Each light includes its own dedicated IR wireless remote for easy quick control, a power cable for charging, and a comprehensive user manual. Plus, if you purchase a 10-pack, Maky includes a heavy-duty road charging case so you can transport and charge all 10 units at once. Looking at the rear panel, you've got a 3-pin DMX in and out port for daisy chaining, a standard power input for charging, and a dedicated power switch. For wireless setups, it comes equipped with a high-gain wireless DMX antenna that maintains a rock-solid signal up to 500 feet line of sight. Navigating the menu gives you a total control. It offers DMX mode, standard 6 or 10 channel control, static color and color macros, preset hues ready to go in seconds, auto and sound active mode for quick dynamic lighting shows without a controller, master slave setup, and wireless on and off toggle. You can also easily adjust parameters, speed, strobe frequency, and smooth watch fading directly through the display. Now, as impressive as these lights look on their own, we've taken them to a step further. We've customized, manufactured aluminum powder coated shield covers for these exact units. While the bare uplight looks great, placing them inside our shields completely elevates the aesthetics, transforming any venue into a sleek, high-end environment. We offer them in white, black, gold, and cream. Pro tip, these shields also double as a custom covers for the mini Maky cold sparklers. Covering your cold spark machines hides the bare feature for a clean look, creates a massive surprise moment when they fire off. Photographers will absolutely love you for it. I get nonstop compliments at every single event when we bring these out. If you like a custom quote on these shield covers, reach out to us directly. Our contact information is in the comment section. And if you're interested in the mini cold sparklers, be sure to contact Maky as well. DJs often ask me, what is my best investment? And I always say it's my uplighting. If you want to step up your game and make more money in this industry and make your events look beautiful, then these are the absolutely must. Take a look at a few quick clips of how we use these uplights and shields at our live events. And there you go, my friends. Those were the Maky Cube uplights, our favorite. So much that we have 40 of these babies in the warehouse and they're built like a tank. So if you're interested in them, make sure you contact Kitten. All her information is below. And if you're interested in the shield covers, you can contact us for that. We have them in white, gold, and cream, and of course, black. So once again, thank you, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next mix.